Hi, I'm Dr. Roseanne Stay with Iowa Equine, and today I'm going to show you how to properly put on a hoof bandage. It's best to make the duct tape covering before you start bandaging the foot. This is how I do it. There's definitely more than one way to skin this cat, but this is the way that I found is pretty quick and easy. So, bigger is not better in this case. You want a piece of duct tape that's just going to overhang the foot by a couple inches on all sides. Once I'm sure I've got about something that resembles a square, then I start making some X's across it. Something that looks like that. And this next step is the part you're going to love me for. We're going to take a scissor and cut in toward the center from all corners so that when we wrap this around the foot, it's going to fit really nicely and you're not going to have to fiddle with it. I'm going to bandage this horse's foot. She presented with a hoof abscess and we've already got it draining really nicely. Our next step is to try to harden the foot, and we're going to use Sugardine to do that. Sugardine is just what it sounds like. It's sugar mixed with iodine until it's kind of a paste texture. So we're just going to pick up her foot. I'm using a big tongue depressor. You can use a plastic spoon, anything you have handy. We're going to apply some Sugardine to this foot. Then we take our diaper. Anywhere between a newborn and size 2 is usually fine. I take what would be the front of the diaper and put it on the heel bulbs. Once your diaper's on, you just use vet wrap or any kind of cohesive bandage to help make sure the diaper stays in place. I usually use about 1/2 of a roll to kind of get everything stuck together. And then for our duct tape covering, you can see I've cut in on the sides of this. So I'm going to place this on the bottom of the foot. Looks like this is probably best for this horse. And where I've cut these, now you can just easily wrap them around the foot, and the bottom is nice and protected with duct tape. The final layer that we use is Elasticon. It's important never to pull this tight. It does have some stretch to it, but really we just want to use it as flexible tape to seal the top of this bandage. You can see that I'm being careful not to pull it tight. I'm just laying it on there gently.